Hi, my name's Tony. We're going to talk to you today about slipped roof panels and the problems that it can cause. When we're talking about slipped roof panels, we're talking about conservatory roof panels, and that's either polycarbonate normally or glass. Conservatory roof panels can cause a couple of issues mainly: drafts and leaks. You may see leaves coming in, and it's usually because the roof panels are slipped. What are the main reasons for conservatory roof panels slipping? Well, you've got a few, but the main ones are the top caps. They relax over time, causing the panels to slip down. Things like end caps are not fitted, like here. When it was installed, there was no suitable retaining brackets fitted, so with the movement and expansion and contraction, the panels slip down but don't return back, and that's what causes your leaks and your drafts. Another reason for the drafts, especially with double glazed units, is the sheer weight of a double glazed unit can often slip down if there is no retaining bracket fitted on the end of the roof spar. So how do we solve this problem of slipped roof panels? Well, we can either use a suitable retaining bracket, or I often get asked, can I silicone them? Siliconing is definitely not recommended. You might be able to solve it for the short period while the silicone goes off, but due to the expansion of the roof panel, the capping and the rubber, it will expand far greater than any silicone can cope with. So definitely do not silicone any roof panel in place. I'm not aware of any roof design or any roof capping requiring the use of a silicone seal either down there or across the bottom to hold the roof panel in place. It's a definite no-no. If you do apply silicone, you will generally wreck the capping, so when any competent person comes to repair it, they'll really struggle to repair it because it's covered in silicone. You'll often need then to buy new end caps, new roof caps. A lot of manufacturers have gone out of business, so you're going to struggle. And in some cases, you need a new roof. One way to stop the roof panels from slipping is by using an end fixing plate. This plate basically goes on the end of the end cap, and then onto that you screw an end cap to hide the aluminium plate. That's only there really for aesthetics, and it hides the plate. The actual plate does all the work. The way this plate fixes, on a lot of roof spars, you will see a screw port. That screw port can take the plate at any one of those holes, but that's what retains the glazing back in place. If you haven't got a screw port, say for instance with this one, or the screw port is in the wrong position, you can use a side fixing plate. So you'll take the cap off, affix this into the side there with two small screws, and that fits into place. You'll then screw the end cap into the two holes, job done. The third method is if the roof glazing is made short of the end of the roof spar, this can be fitted, screwed down into the end of the roof spar, and that then holds the glazing from slipping. So there are three types of end caps or retaining plates that we offer. You've got the end fix, the side fix, the polycarbonate or glass support clips. Do I need an expert to fit these? The answer is quite clearly no. It's very simple. All the products are available on our website. You can choose whether you just need a straightforward retaining plate. They're from as little as £2.27 each, up to the glazing support clips. Remember, these can only be fitted if your panels are short of the end of the roof spar. For any further advice you need, please feel free to give us a shout.